the result of your material. Pretty exciting. So what you're going to do is start off by pressing M on your keyboard, and that's going to open up your material editor. So most of you should be pretty familiar with this. This is the compact material editor. If you go to modes, you go to your slate material editor. Wait for that to load. Just a second. Alright, that's your slate material editor. I will go ahead and just use this one. It's a little bit better of a visual example. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and start off by bringing out a standard color, or standard material. Now within the standard material, you can change the diffuse color to whatever you want. You can change the glossiness. You can change the specular level to get a nice little highlight on that. But we actually don't want to do that, so I'm going to delete it. But we do want to bring out a standard material. And the first thing that we want to do is we want to bring out a new diffuse color. So if you click on this map, or this node, and you just let go, you can add a new map, also known as a bitmap. Another way of doing this that you may be more familiar with is you can just go to your diffuse color, you can click on your map icon here, and navigate over to bitmap. Now, what we want to do is you want to go into your folder where you saved that Photoshop document, that PSD file. So mine are in my Arcade UVW folder. And I'm going to go to my Arcade UVW, I'm going to say open, and that attaches right on there, which looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and add this material on to my arcade machine. And as you can see, nothing happens, it turns gray. So I need to make sure that I show material in viewport. And something didn't work out here, so let's try that one more time. Go to my diffuse color, go to bitmap. Let's go to my Arcade UVW. There we go. And that's assigned onto my material now. So as you can see, I have my two images over here. I have my image on top. I have my image over here, but I'm having a hard time actually seeing this chart because it's flipped. So what you have to do is you're going to have to go back to your image. So let's go back to this. And it's on the side that has the guy on it. So we're going to go down here. I'm going to zoom in, and I'm going to click on my Tron layer, which I believe is, let's see, layer copy, logo copy 2. I want to go to image. Let's actually go to edit, transform, flip horizontal. And if we save this, it should go ahead and update in here. Let's see. If not, you can just go back to your arcade. You know, I'm going to try doing this one more time. Let's go back to our Photoshop document and let's go ahead and do a save as. And I'm going to save it as a PSD, which I thought I did before. Let's try this one more time. There we go, let's try this PSD file and say open. And then we'll say collapse layer, sure. There we go. So now we have our nice Tron logo. So as you can see, maybe my pictures weren't as high quality as they could be. So make sure you are searching for high resolution images. But now what you can do is you can go ahead and you can add materials to your glass. So if I go down here to my mental ray materials, if they're not showing up, I'll show you how to get that. Let's go to rendering, render setup, and under that tab you want to make sure that you're set to your NVIDIA Mental Ray right here. And then if you go back into your material editor, you'll see a variety of other materials. So let's just go ahead and open up Architecture and Design. If you go into there, you can select a template to use, and you have a couple of glass options. So I can go ahead and assign that material to the selection there. I do not have a material added to my screen here, so if I want, I can just go ahead and bring out another standard material. Let's change this diffuse color to black. Add that on there. And keep in mind, you can also add a video to your screen if you'd like. And also, if you want to change any of the properties of your arcade machine, feel free to do so. So what I mean by that is you can bump up this glossiness if you want to get a little sheen in your specular level. And you can kind of see that change as I rotate around. So, you know, you can see the light starting to bounce off that a little bit. Maybe just like a little sheen would be nice. So, that looks pretty good. And then if you want, add a couple nice materials to your joysticks and your buttons, and your arcade machine is done. So let's do an initial render here. I'm not going to finish it out for time's sake, but as you can see, we probably need some lighting in our scene to just brighten this up a little bit, and then you should be good to go. Thanks for watching.